Imagine this scenario. Two healthy potted plants, identical in size and appearance, are placed side by side. What do you suppose would happen if we treat them differently? To begin this fascinating experiment, we first take our twin plants to a dark room where they will spend the next 3 days. This period of darkness will ensure that any stored starch in the leaves is used up, essentially resetting the plants and preparing them for the next phase of our experiment. Next, we place each plant on separate glass plates. By the side of one of the plants, we introduce a watch glass containing potassium hydroxide. Now, why do we do this, you might wonder? Well, potassium hydroxide is a substance that readily absorbs carbon dioxide, a gas that plants need for photosynthesis, the process they use to convert light into energy. Moving on, we cover both plants with separate bell jars, essentially creating a mini greenhouse for each of our plants. To ensure the setup is airtight, we seal the bottom of the jars to the glass plates using Vaseline. This setup is crucial as it allows us to control the environment in which the plants are growing. After the setup is complete, we expose the plants to sunlight for about 2 hours. During this time, the plant without the potassium hydroxide having access to carbon dioxide should theoretically be able to carry out photosynthesis and produce starch. Once the 2 hours have passed, we pluck a leaf from each plant and check for the presence of starch. But how do we do this? By using iodine solution. If starch is present, the iodine will change color from brown to blue-black. So, what are the results? Did both the leaves show the presence of the same amount of starch? In fact, the leaf from the plant that was next to the potassium hydroxide, which absorbed the carbon dioxide, showed no blue-black color change, indicating no starch production. On the other hand, the leaf from the plant that had access to carbon dioxide turned blue-black, signaling the presence of starch. From this activity, it's clear that carbon dioxide is a crucial component in the process of photosynthesis. Without it, the plant cannot convert sunlight into energy and produce starch. This experiment underscores the importance of carbon dioxide to plant life, and by extension, to all life on Earth. It's a simple demonstration, but one that provides profound insight into the fundamental processes that sustain life on our planet. So next time you see a plant basking in the sun, remember, it's not just soaking up rays, it's performing a vital function that keeps our world turning.